just get into her. So we got Justin under here, putting the arms underneath the Ranger. We're gonna be lifting her up today, draining all the fluids out. So what's the plan with this right now, Justin?
We're gonna get her lifted up, take the oil out, drain the oil, drop the tank, pull the engine, gut the cab. Yeah, get her all ready for a new drivetrain and a cab cage.
Okay, so we're basically just gonna be gutting this whole thing, getting her ready for all the goodies we're gonna be putting into her.
Exhaust. Spoiler.
Something. Readjust it. There we go. Got it.
Oh.
Damn. Got it, baby.
Here, go get the screwdriver. Take
Why
the
does
hose.
everything go into my mouth? Everything just goes straight to the face. Right into my mouth.
We don't have good luck with fuel, really.
I don't. Almost ate it again.
You have that touch, dude. Here, let's go outside. So we got the transmission all out, downpipe off, exhaust out,
Tank out.
tank,
Drive shaft.
drive shaft, shocks.
I mean, half the time was just cleaning up oil.
Yeah, we got a little. Simba.
Well, I got a good one.
What do we got next?
Yeah, we got to pull this engine out.
Lower her down and then get the rest out.
Yeah, disconnect everything from the engine. Drop the radiator.
Start working from the top.
Yeah. That's the good stuff. Yeah, boy.
Got that Costco.
Yep.
What you got going on here?
Radiator.
I heard you're forklift certified, Caleb.
I am. I'm forklift certified.
The chicks love that.
I do. That little nice little laminated card and everything.
Lets them know you can handle them no matter how big they are.
Dude, the fresh snap-on cart.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Make sure you spell it right. We don't want to think. We don't want people to think it's fake.
I don't think it likes that oil. on going.
Like Forrest Gump?
Like Forrest Gump. Yep, keep on giving.
Wait,
You're
that's
clear.
Jenny.
Oh, dude, not the wiring.
Damn. Got out.
We got all this out. Got our radiators, fuel
Radiators? There was 2 radiators in there?
tank. Well, 2
Our
coolers.
radiator,
Radiator, condenser,
fuel tank.
cold air intake,
Sure.
downpipe / catalytic converters.
/ Akrapovic exhaust.
Yes, maybe even Borla.
It's custom, whatever.
And the
it is.
transmission?
Yeah. Tranny's out, batteries out.
Basically, the whole powertrain's out.
Yeah. Got some fluid over there. Half of it's in the concrete.
Looks like the other half's all over you. Dude, you look good standing by old Red.
It'd be crazy if you put like an engine like this in there. Goated.
Yeah. It's a goat. That way, every time you're plugging in your trailer, you know,
Yeah.
you're pulling with the goat. Greased all the time. 12 valve.
You ever seen me do the goat?
goat?
You're trying to call that a goat?
Yeah, Billy.
That's a little Billy goat, boy.
These guys are getting rowdy.
So we finished gutting the whole engine bay and getting the whole powertrain out last night. So today we're gonna be working on the interior. What do we got going on, Justin?
We're gonna get it all ready for a cage. So take out the seats, the dash, headliner, all the side trim, back seat things.
Pull out all the flooring and mat and get it
Yeah.
ready for a cage.
This thing's been going up and down all day.
Yeah.
So we got most of the underside all unbuttoned. We got fuel lines all undone. All that's left is some lines right here, and then the whole line should fall out, and voila.
Yeah. And we have some wire loom up here that we need to remove, and also down from the cab to the frame rail. And then once we get those, we should be completely stripped.
The new drivetrain is gonna have a complete standalone harness, so we're probably just gonna wire our own auxiliary stuff, lights, and
we'll just run those to switches on the dash inside.
yes, sir. Let's do it. directly in the trash. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
It's my boy P with the wiring harness.
Boy.
Yeah. That clears up a whole lot of room. Here, yeah. I think we need to go up again, huh?
Yeah, go up with it, boy. No rush. Says it right there. Yeah.
It's my taking with it.
This might take a minute. Just hold on.
Yeah, cue the time lapse.
Hold on to your pants. We're going up. She's still going up, folks. She ain't very fast, but she's stout. Nothing good comes quick. Except this guy, maybe.
And now that's it.
Bam.
Bam. Wham. Thank you, ma'am.
All in your face with that.
She made her.
Tighter than my wife.
Okay, now just full speed into the bedside.
We're just gonna rip her off. Just a monster of a tool.
Are those impact sockets you have on it?
No, we
Oh, we're using an adapter too?
yeah, we're a little reckless with it.
Oh, that looks like it says Pittsburgh.
Yeah. They'll warranty it though.
Oh,
You
really?
can walk right back and grab a new one. If we snap this with our probably 1 million foot-pounds of torque, no biggie.
Right there.
Hey, we got Lau here. It's the man in the forklift.
Getting this bad boy out, gonna pressure wash it.
Yeah, taking her out to the wash station.
So we got the power plant here, 2006 high output Cummins diesel, 24 valve out of my old Dodge 2500.
Rest in peace.
RIP.
Great truck.
Great truck. You'll be seeing a lot of parts from that on another build we have coming up. But yeah.
That's okay, because this is going to be the new heart.
New heart
Of
for
that
the
one.
Ranger.
She will live again.
She'll live again.
So if you want to see more and see the next video, remember to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.